Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver. So first we have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com and then click to search and enter your model number of your motherboard Z890 AI top and then hit enter. Then click to product and click on the title of name. This is your motherboard. You can see click on support. Select your operating system which is you require Windows 10, 11. Any select or installations process same. Select chipset. So install first this one. Otherwise manage engine software this. You just click to download. You click after that just start downloading. Then it is done. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Click on yes. Then install and close it.